going to give you a tour of my mom's cute apartment. If there's anything that I can link, I will link it in the description box. So let's just show you. So this is I'm at the front door, and this is what you see when you come in. I'm going to just start over here and show you. We got the sign at Hobby Lobby, the basket at Hobby Lobby, and the blanket she made. And the lanterns are from QVC. Her TV console is from Walmart. It's so cute. And super well made. She's moved, and it moved perfectly. And she likes a big TV. That other sign is also from Hobby Lobby. This wreath is so old. I used to have one just like it, but it's still so cute. And we got it at a local boutique, and it's huge. It fills that wall perfectly. And then her chairs are from Wayfair. This little pillow is from Hobby Lobby. And she has this little fireplace. She always has these, and they're from QVC. They're amazing. If you have a little space and you need heat, I will link them in the description box below. And then over here, she has a little end table with a mirror from Hobby Lobby. The sorry, there's so much light in here that it gets dark. This mirror is from Ashley Furniture. I have the same one. It's really cute. And then the little thing on the back, if you can see, I know it's dark, is from Hobby Lobby. And then she picked out this really pretty gray couch from Ashley Furniture, and it's just like the perfect color of gray. And then we got this rug to go with it, because it kind of has the cream of the chair and the cream of the fireplace, and kind of brightens up the space, because she has black over here. So the bench is from Target. The hooks are from Hobby Lobby. Pretty much everything else is from Hobby Lobby except for the lantern. And then I made her a cute bunny. So I'll have that linked of how I did that if you want to check it out. I believe she got her bar stools on Wayfair. I'll link them. And then you saw this in one of my recent hauls, and it just looks so cute right there for spring. And coming into her little kitchenette, she has just the perfect little table. It fits perfect in this space. I got those wall things at Hobby Lobby, and then I believe that big twig wreath is from Hobby Lobby too. I love it. It's very simplistic, but it just adds some texture to the space. She needs to change this out because it's not Valentine's Day anymore, but we got that for Valentine's Day. Like I told you before, some of the things she already had and some of the things is new. This little thing on her table was something that she had. And then this is my favorite little spot. I showed you a video of that. I'll link the haul and how I decorated this in the video. I still need to get her some things, labels for her jars. I just haven't been able to find the right ones. And so yeah, this is really cute. The cabinet is from Hobby Lobby as well. And then in her kitchen, just a basic kitchen, she got her KitchenAid, this really cute rug from Home Depot, and then basic kitchen. So let's go through here, and I'm going to show you like an overview of her living room again from a different angle. It's so cute. Like I said, it's a small apartment, but it's perfect for her. And then if you turn this way, this is her bathroom. The lighting in here is terrible, but she has a really cute marble shower curtain wreaths from Hobby Lobby. And then this is the basket that I love, that I filled with all of this green stuff. So cute. I love that. I think everybody needs that for spring. And then just some cute gray rugs. And then this is her bedroom. All of her bedroom furniture is from Ashley, and all of her bedding is from Bed Bath & Beyond. I also have a video of how we did her bed last year on my channel, but it just is so cute. And then she has a dresser here. We're getting ready to go to New York in a couple days, so she's packing. But and this stuff is all from Hobby Lobby. This is something she had previously. I'll show you over here. I love this sign. I got it for her for Mother's Day, and it's from my friend at Huckleberry Ave, and the lamp is from Hobby Lobby. So like I told you before, I'll link anything I can, and I hope you guys enjoy it. This just goes to show that you can have a small space, but a super cute, cozy space without spending a lot of money. Or, you know, a lot of people don't like to invest in places that they're renting. I, on the other hand, think that you should feel cozy and your spaces should feel cute. I don't know. To me, that makes a huge difference in my personal life. So, anyway, I will catch you guys in my next video. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.